If you're trying to figure out how to trigger a webhook in Make.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full setup, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and show you how to use webhooks to start powerful automations. First, head into Make.com and click on create a new scenario. In the module search bar, type in webhooks and select custom webhook. This is going to act as your trigger, meaning that when the webhook gets called, your scenario will start running. Now click add and give your webhook a name, something easy to remember like a new lead or form submission. Once you save that, Make will instantly generate a unique webhook URL. This is the address where you will send data from any app, form, or service that supports webhooks. Before going any further, need to send a test request to that URL. So Make can capture a sample and understand the data structure. You can do this by using a form builder like Typeform or Tally, a no-code platform like Bubble, or just use Postman or Webhook testing tools like Web.site to stimulate a payload. Once Make receives the webhook data, it will display the content so you can map fields. In the next steps, this is how you connect the webhook trigger to the rest of your automation. For example, after receiving the webhook, you can add a Google Sheets module to log the data, send a confirmation email via Gmail or Outlook, post the info to Slack, Notion, or Airtable, or even filter the data before taking action. You can also add routers, conditions, multiple branches if you want to take different actions depending on the content of the webhook. Once your scenario is set up, click run once to test the full flow. If everything looks good, hit activate and you're live. Webhooks are incredibly powerful because they let you trigger Make.com scenarios from almost any external app in real time. If this video helped, give it a like, drop a questions in the comments, and subscribe for more no-code automation tutorials like this one.